guys, welcome to my channel. To make preview video, watch till end. First, delete the audio layer and import the video clip which I have given in the description. Replace the last layer with overlay. In upper layer, replace your picture. Replace same picture in rest of the 4 layer. Now add another picture to this point. Here, add a other picture. Now add another picture into layer. Do same to rest of the clips. Add similar picture into layer.